Traders, in this video we're going to have a look at the trend channel indicator. So by default, this is what you get. Now there are options if you want to change some of the settings. In here, if you go to the Inputs tab, you have the ability to increase or decrease the cloud, the average true range dots that you see on the chart, color, opacity. Most importantly, you come down, you can show this midline or hide it. Now we've hidden it for a reason, and I'll get back to that. There's midline 1 and there's another one. They're both the same. We'll just take them out for now. The other thing we have are break 1 and break 2. So that's the break into the cloud and out of the cloud. Okay, they're unticked by default, and we've got pin bar high and low. So these give you overextended levels. Alright, so we've taken them out by default. Right, so it's up to you if you want to enable them. Now the reason why we don't show the middle line by default is because we have the TrendBars indicator. Now when I enable that, it is a midline. So when I bring on the trend channel with the trend bars, that's what we get. Now if we include the midline, you can see there's no reason to do that given that we have the channel on, off. Now we're going to have a look at the trend bars. By default we have the price action channel. Okay, so you can take that out if you want to, and if you prefer you can scroll down here and show the middle line. Right, so if that's your preference, you can do that. I personally prefer the TrendBars channel, so I'm going to include that. There's really not much else to do with this unless you want to change these divergence. You see these red and green lines, they're bearish or bullish divergence. Okay, enable divergence. And the other thing is the average true range. That's just down in here, the ATR value. Alright, so the style, yep, I mean you can go in here and edit these colors to your liking. And that's the trend channel and the trend bars indicator. Use them together. Now in terms of signals, the trend bars has a couple of things here. See the bar color? See the green flashing on? Okay, so that's when the bar turns from red to white to green. You'll see those little dots. And the red color when bars turn from green to white to red. You can see them flashing on and off. You can use these in the alerts, and I'll show you that in a minute. The other alerts we have are the green up triangles. That's when it breaks out of the channel, and the red breakout, channel breakout. Go OK. Right, now the alerts for the trend bars, 3 dots, add alert. I use this when I have a short list or a watch list and I'm looking for either a bullish or a bearish signal. So, you know, if it's a bullish trend, we can come in here and set either one or both of these. Okay, I prefer the channel breakout, bullish, once per bar. Generally make it play some sound, create, and that will create the alert when it breaks out of the channel. The trend channel alert, you can set those if you want. You've got bullish and bearish breaks. Again, if you are looking for a bullish scenario, you can set that to go off, and I cover that in my regular mentorship videos. So that's the trend channel and the trend bars indicator or indicators.